2011 Ford F-150 5.4 liter V8. I knew that. It's got stock converters there and there. They're massive. Then somebody did a resident delete earlier, some other shop. Then we did a muffler delete. It had a MagnaFlow on it over there. We cut it off and put white pipe in its place, and it's dualed out the side. On one side, like the Raptors and stuff like that, and the Harley Davidson back in the day. There it is. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second, see how you guys like it. Beautiful truck. Ford F-150 Lariat. And there's the MagnaFlow that we cut off.